Premiumbeat.com.
In the southern side of Leyte Gulf is a whole island of secluded paradise. As an island ecosystem, the whole province of Dinagat Islands is home to at least 400 plant species, 100 bird species, and at least 20 globally and nationally threatened species of vertebrates such as Dinagat cloud rat and Dinagat tarsier, among others. A biodiversity corridor in eastern Mindanao, Dinagat Islands appeal as mystical, rustic, and wild. The province should be on top of the list to visit for ecotourism adventures. With a land area of around 80,205 hectares, the province is composed of 7 municipalities and 100 barangays. The quiet and charming San Jose serves as the capital town. It is perched on the hillside that faces Surigao Strait. The Stingray Island and Barangay Matingbe Marine Fish Sanctuary are habitats of a colorful diversity of marine life. North of San Jose is the town of Basilisa, surrounded by a number of mesmerizing beaches. The town is a nature's masterpiece, accented by long strips of white, sugary sand and coconut trees and limestone boulders. The enticing clear waters to divers and swimmers also serve as home to a variety of corals and other marine life. In the town's lush forests hides the gracious and enchanted Lake Babamu that has 700 meters underground cave and has a layer of water that do not intermix, which is called as Meromictic Lake. The town of Dinagat, south of San Jose, is also host to beautiful beaches, rich marine sanctuaries, and massive natural mangrove forests. The coastline of Cagdianao town also offers an expanse of white sand beaches. A locally declared bat sanctuary is found here along the locally protected mangrove areas, as well as spectacular waterfalls and a gigantic dam. The serene and verdant Paragua forests of Tumahon and Libho also provides a sanctuary to wild flora and fauna. Tucked in the forest are the glorious waterfalls. Mangrove Forest of Tumahon is sanctuary of flying foxes, inlets, and down to the shore is an awesome lagoon and a locally declared mangrove protected area. Libho Town provides a picturesque landscape that are comparable to world-renowned El Nido in Palawan or the Caramoan Islands. Libho offers a breathtaking view courtesy of the myriad limestone islets, masterfully carved by nature, set in emerald and turquoise waters. Caves are abundant in the municipality. Offshore of Kanihaan Island lies the Japanese battleship Fuso during the World War II historical battle of Surigao Strait between Japanese and American forces. Loreto, the second largest town in terms of land area, is where lies the 2 highest points of the province, Mount Redondo with an elevation of 920 meters above sea level in the north and Mount Cambilio in the south. On these mountain peaks are large tract of naturally growing bonsai forest. This unique forest, where bonsai plants abound, has been identified as the province's major tourism icon. Also in Loreto is the Black Beach, the first landing of 6th Ranger Battalion of U.S. Armed Forces on October 18, 1944, prior to famous landing of General Douglas MacArthur at Palo, Leyte. And a spring comes forth in the heart of the town. Dinagat Islands Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office, or PENRO, has endeavored in taking great steps to maintain the balance of the ecosystem and ensure the sustainability of wildlife and ecotourism sites through the Dinagat Island Conservation Program, or DICP. The natural bounty of Dinagat Islands, coupled with the warmth Dinagatnoon's hospitality, will make anyone's trip to the islands a very memorable one. Lambot Dinagat, Sulong Dinagat. It's enchanting, truly captivating. Together, we can conserve the mystical province of Dinagat Islands. But remember, leave nothing but footprints. Take nothing but pictures.